Let me show you how to use all gestures and motions available for Oppo Find X9 Pro. So we're gonna start by opening settings on our device. We can then scroll down and enter accessibility and convenience. If you go down again, we can find gestures and motions. So let's start with screen off gestures. That means all of the gestures when your device is turned off. We can enable all of those options like draw O to open camera, draw V to turn flashlight on and off, music control, and custom gestures with drawing specific symbols to launch specific things. So here, for example, you can go for an arrow up and launch a specific app, perform a call, or unlock your device. So now to use them, let's lock our phone. And first thing is camera. So if you draw O when your screen is off, you will open camera. If you draw V, then you'll be able to turn on and off flashlight. Sometimes you just need to do it like that. And then there was the music control. You can draw play to play music. You can draw pause to stop the music. You can draw arrow to the right to play next track when there's a music playback, draw arrow to the left to play previous track, and draw pause to stop that music. So now when we have all of the screen off gestures, there's also those custom symbols. You get it, you can draw them and then open those specific things. We can go back to gestures and motions, and here we have double tap to wake screen, double tap to turn off screen. Swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot, touch and hold with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. So screenshots looks like this. You can take the screenshots with those 2 options. I will show you those 2 at the end. Then there's turn on and off torch with a volume button. When the screen is off, press and hold the volume down button to turn the torch on and off. Air gestures allows you to control your phone using your hand in front of the camera. So you can, for example, answer calls, decline calls with all of the different hand symbols. So you can mute the calls by showing a palm. You can answer, I think, calls down when prompt appears. Flick your hand to answer call. So if you want to answer call, you need to perform a hand swipe like this when this option is activated. Then there's motions. You can enable raise to wake. I will show you that at the end. Lift to ear to answer calls. If you activate this option, you can answer calls by when there's a call incoming, lift your phone to your ear and then it will answer it automatically. Auto switch to receiver. If you're using headphones, it will automatically change to the receiver. Flip to mute incoming calls. You can flip your phone like this, screen to the table, and that way it will mute those incoming calls. And shake to launch allows you to shake your phone in your hand like it's shown on this animation to turn the torch on and off or open camera. So now let me show you those options that I didn't, those 2 and this one. So we're gonna lock our device and then we can double tap to wake up screen. You can also double tap to lock screen. And then there's the lift to wake. If you lift your phone when it's on the table like this, if I lift it, it should wake up screen without touching any buttons or the screen itself. And lastly, the shake. If we shake our phone enough, it will enable the flashlight or camera, depending on which one you've chosen. So that is all of the gestures and motions available for this device. And that is everything for this video. Thanks so much for watching.